So dear students, now since we know the formula of Range-Kutta method to solve an initial value problem, we are going to now consider problems on the same. Fine. So let's see the problems here. The first problem is employ Range-Kutta method to solve dy by dx is equals to xy with y of 1 equals to h is equals to 0.2 at the point x is equals to 1.2. So what we need to do is before we start using the Range-Kutta formula, first write down the given expression, find out what is the function f of xy with the initial conditions. I mean write down the initial conditions x0, y0, the step length h and also the value of x at which you need to find the value of y which is considered as the solution of the given differential equation. So before we write the definition of the function f of xy, we need to make sure that I have the term dy by dx written in the form or the given equation should be in the standard form as dy by dx is equals to the function f of xy. Okay. So the given expression is for the current problem considered as dy by dx is equals to f of xy which is xy with x0 is 1, y0 is 2, the step length h is 0.2 and x is equals to 1.2. Now let us consider the Range-Kutta formula. The formula is y of x is equals to y0 plus 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2 into k2 plus 2 into k3 plus k4. Now, what are these k1, k2, k3 and k4? We know that they are constants which are given by these formulae. So, let us consider the constant k1. So, k1 is considered as or given by the product of h and the function f of xy with x as x0, y as y0. So we are going to consider the formula, then substitute into the formula for the RHS term. So here it is, h is 0.2, the function f of xy should be rewritten as x should be replaced by x0, y should be replaced by y0. Therefore we get the value as after substituting. So here I have substituted x0 as 1 which is the initial condition for x and y0 as 2 with h as 0.2. Then when we simplify we get the value of k1 as 0.4. Now let us see the formula for k2. So k2 is nothing but the product of step length h and the function f with x as x0 plus h by 2, y as y0 plus k1 by 2. Now first, let us rewrite the given definition with these substitutions for x and y. So, we get the expression as 0.2 into x0 plus h by 2 which is substitution for x, y0 plus k1 by 2 is replaced for the y term here. Now, substitute k1 value h, x0 and y0 and use the calculator to simplify. We get the value of k2 as 0.484. Similarly, what is the expression we have for K3? It is given by h and the term function f of xy with x as x0 plus h by 2, y as y0 plus k2 by 2. So K3 becomes 0.2 into x0 plus h by 2, y0 plus k2 by 2. So we have substituted the previous constant k2 value 0.484, y0 is 2, h is 0.2, x0 is 1 and simplify using the calculator we get the value of K3 approximately as 0.4932. Now let us consider the formula for K4. So what is the formula for K4 here? K4 is equals to product of the step length h then with the function f where x is replaced by x0 plus h, y is replaced by y0 plus k3. Remember guys, for this we don't have the term h as h by 2. We need to remember the same. So we are going to substitute into the definition of the given function x as x0 plus h and y as y0 plus k3. Then substitute the respective values here and simplify. We get the value of k4 as 0.5984. Now once we obtain all the four constants k1, k2, k3, k4, substitute them into the Range-Kutta formula. So we are going to get it as y of x is 1.2 at this stage for the current problem, y0 is 2, plus 1 by 6 is from the formula. K1 is 0.4, K2 is 0.484, K3 value is 0.4932, K4 value what we have obtained is 0.5984. After simplification, we get the value of y with x value as 1.2 as 2.4921. So this is the approximate solution which satisfies the equation by the Runge-Kutta method.